Hey, hey, what? Ray Mac, hey, what? Hey, what? Welcome to Ray Mac's Kitchen and Grill. Love and not hate. Love and not hate. Welcome to Ray Mac's Kitchen and Grill. Love and not hate. What? Love and not hate. Come on. Welcome to Ray Mac's Kitchen and Grill.
What's up, YouTube family? We're making jalapeno Colby Jack smash burgers. So I got a pound of beef rolled up into balls. I have slices of Colby Jack cheese. And along with that, I got 1 onion sliced up with some clarified butter. And I have some hamburger rolls along with some Creole seasoning. And I have some jarred jalapeno slices. All right, these are going to be some killer smash burgers. So get you a skillet, cast iron skillet. I'm taking some of that clarified butter and I'm putting it inside this skillet. I want it to melt because the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and toast up these buns. And I'm hoping that you guys really enjoy this here recipe. So do me a favor. Don't go nowhere because I'm telling you, you're going to love this. And if you could, comment below and tell me what kind of ingredients you would love on your smash burgers. So comment now and check out this recipe as I fix up these here buns, and I'll be right back with the next step. You're gonna love this recipe. So now we got our buns all nice and toasted. So I'm moving these to the side, and I'm telling you something, but toasting these up with that clarified butter really did these buns some justice. And that smell, it smells so good up in here. So now since we got our buns toasted, I'm adding some more clarified butter to this here hot skillet. And I just want to take our onion slices and I want to go ahead and try to brown these babies up. I don't want to do a total caramelization to it, but if you want to caramelize your onions, go ahead and caramelize them fully. It will not go wrong with this here recipe. So let me go ahead and brown these babies up. And the next step that I'm going to do after browning these onions, I'm going to add my jalapeno peppers to this, also to the skillet. And then once these are nice and done the way that I like them, I'm going to remove these babies to the side. So I'm telling you guys, stay tuned and don't go nowhere. Now our onions and peppers are ready, and we're moving these babies to the side. The next thing that we're going to do, y'all, we're going to add just a little bit more clarified butter to this here skillet. Yes, I'm telling you, clarified butter is the way. And then I'm going to take our hamburger rolls that I had pretty much rolled up. I used a pound of ground beef just to form about 5 balls, okay? So I'm taking these babies into this hot skillet, and I'm taking my spatula and I'm smashing these burgers down. This is what we're doing. We are smashing these burgers because they're going to be some good tasting jalapeno Colby Jack smash burgers. I'm telling you, y'all, this is the way to go right here when you want you a good old home fixed burger on the skillet. Now, as you can see, I done smashed these babies up. Now I want to take some of that Creole seasoning and sprinkle it right on top just to give us some nice flavor. And this is the only seasoning that you're going to use for this recipe. So how easy is that? Now, since we've got a nice little crust at the bottom, I want to go ahead and just flip these babies. Now, once they're flipped, I want to go ahead and just add some cheese on top and let that cheese melt. And once that cheese melt, that Colby Jack cheese, you can use whatever kind of cheese you like. American cheese, cheddar cheese, provolone cheese. I don't care what kind of cheese it is. But I just love this here Colby Jack cheese because it gives this burger a nice flavor. Now I want to go ahead and just let the cheese melt just a little bit and set these babies over to the side. You know what I'm saying? So I did form up about 5 balls, and I got 2 here ready to rock and roll. Now I gotta go and cook the other 3, but I'm gonna show you the process one more time, so check it out. I just can't thank y'all enough for just staying here watching this here video, y'all. I'm telling you, let's go ahead and form these here burgers. Y'all been patient enough. So I got my toasted buns that I toasted with the clarified butter, and I just want to layer those 2 patties. Yes, I'm making a double, y'all. I just want to put 2 patties on here. You could do a single. Now I'm taking some of these here onions and putting it right on top. You know what I'm saying? Because we are building up this here smash jalapeno Colby Jack cheese smash burger. And yes, it's time to build. Now, these jalapeno peppers is definitely going to give you a little heat. So if you okay with the heat factor, you go ahead and you do this, baby. Now I'm taking some of my homemade barbecue sauce, and I'm just putting it right on top of this here because I know that this barbecue sauce is going to give it a little bit more flavor. If you want to add barbecue sauce to it, go ahead and do so, because I'm telling you, this is a winner, y'all. I'm telling you, this is a winner. Is this like one of the best smash burgers that I've ever made? Trust and believe me, it's up there. It's on the top of my list, and I guarantee you, if you try it, it's going to be on the top of your list as well. But it looks so good. Somebody give me a smash burger that look like this. Can I take one bite, y'all? Oh my God, look at there. Love and not hate. That's what I want y'all to do, love and not hate. But also do me a favor. Thank you so much for watching this here video. If you could, please subscribe to my channel by clicking on my photo and watch these other videos. I guarantee you, if you watch these other videos, you will love them. Comment below. Tell me exactly what you like about this here video and what you don't like about this video. Give this video a thumbs up. And I just want to say it again. Love and not hate. Love somebody and hate nobody. Peace.